Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Sugarland Branch Library Family Storytime Program. As you all know, my name is Miss Bobby.
And I'm Miss Rachel, and today we're going to be talking about farm animals.
All right, to begin with, we're going to sing our hello song. Let's see, y'all wave hello like this or like this. You can do however you want it to. And we're going to sing our hello song. Are you ready, Miss Rachel?
I am. Let's do it.
Are you guys ready to sing with us? There you go. Hello, 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 and how are you? Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful. I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 and how are you? Hello, 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 and how are you? Thank you, my dear friends.
Next, we're going to talk about our literacy practice for today. We like to highlight these at the beginning of each program to focus on some great skills for reading development. So our skill that we're highlighting today is singing. We're going to be doing lots of singing within this program, so we'd love for you to join along because it's a great way to learn new concepts, remember concepts as well, and you can really sing with almost anything. At home, join us in singing, and then after the program, be sure you sing throughout your day, during all your tasks, and during different stories. You can make up your own or sing new ones too. So join us in singing today.
Thank you, Rachel. And now it's time for our flannel board story. Since we're talking about farm animals today, I have my best few farm animal friends that I'm going to show you all. To begin with, let's see what this one is. What do you think this one is? It's a barn. And what color it is? It is red. Also, we're going to sing a song following the tune of Wheels on the Bus. Join me with singing. Let's see what animal comes in first inside the barn. And it says, moo. Ta-da! What animal is this? It's a cow. The cow on the farm says, moo, 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 moo. Moo, 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 the cow on the farm says moo, 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 all day long. Let's say bye-bye to our cow. There you go. All right, let's see what animal comes next. And it says, oink, 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 ta-da! It's our friend little Piggy. The pig on the farm says, oink, 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 oink. The pig on the farm says, oink, 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 all day long. All right, let's say bye-bye to our friend Piggy. Bye-bye. Let's see what animal comes next. And it says, bah, bah, bah. Ta-da! It's our friend little sheep. The sheep on the farm says ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep on the farm says ba ba ba, all day long. Let's say bye-bye to our sheep. Bye-bye. And last but not the least, here comes our friend Nay. And who is this little friend of ours? He's our little horsey. The horse on the farm says, neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the farm says, neigh, 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 all day long. Say bye-bye to a little horsey. Bye-bye. That's all for our final board story today.
Now that we've met so many fun friends on our farm, we're going to meet a few more. We're going to sing along to a song that many of you might recognize called Old MacDonald. And if you don't, we have several verses so you can join along. We might even have some fun friends join us. All right, let's get to it. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see who joins us next. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goose, E-I-E-I-O. With a honk honk here and a honk honk there. Here a honk, there a honk, everywhere a honk called. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Say goodbye to the goose. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some turkeys, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. We have one more friend joining us. Let's see who it is. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some puppies, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Say goodbye to all of our friends. Well, I spy with my little eye another song. This song is fun because it has some actions to do along. So not only can you sing along, you can dance along with me. So first, we're going to roll. Then we're going to play. Then we're going to stay. And then we're going to stay cool. So join along with me as we do this. Roll, roll, roll around in the mud all day. That is what old pigs all do. What a way to play. Roll, roll, roll around. That is how they stay. Oh, so very nice and cool on a sunny day. Isn't dancing fun to do with singing?
5 spotted cows standing in a line. The first one said, what did the first one say? I'm feeling fine. The second one said, how do you do? The third one said, moo, moo, moo. The fourth one said, I'm grazing in the grass. The fifth one said, I'm full at last. So what did all the 5 cows do after that? They stood together and said, we're through. Let's take a bow and all say, what do they say? Moo. Thank you. All right, friends, it's time for our puppet show now. Today's puppet show is based on this book called A Birthday for Cow by Jan Thomas. Let's sing our ABC song while they're getting ready for the puppet show. Are y'all ready to sing with me? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's sing our Twinkle, Twinkle Star next.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Well, hello everybody. Guess what today is? It's Cal's birthday. Yippee! I have to call my friends Pig and Mouse. I'll be right back. Hey, Mouse, do you want to bake a cake for Cal?
Sure, I would love to.
Cake! I've got the recipe with me. They put flour and sugar and eggs in a big bowl. And a turnip.
No, Duck, we will not put in a turnip.
Next, they mix it all together with a turnip.
No, Duck, a spoon.
Then they put it in the oven. Can a turnip go in too?
And they ice and decorate the cake, and on top they put...
I know, turnip. No turnips, Duck, candles. I think it's the cow. Look, here comes Cow now.
Happy birthday, Cow. Is that what I think it is? Oh boy, this is the best birthday ever. Here's your cake.
Here's a turnip.
A turnip.
Huh?
I love it. Let's eat the
cake.
Good cake. Burp.
Sometimes I brush my teeth using a turnip.
Really? Me too.
Goodbye, everybody.
All right, friends, it's time for our goodbye song. Can y'all wave goodbye? Like this or like this? However you wanted to. We're going to sing the song following the tune of our hello song. Are you ready, Miss Rachel?
I am. We've had so much fun with you today.
Absolutely. Are y'all ready? Let's do it together. Goodbye, goodbye, and see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, and see you again. Au revoir.
Adios.
Annyeong. Au revoir.
Adios.
Annyeong. Goodbye, goodbye, and see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, and see you again. That was awesome.
Thanks for joining us today at the Sugarland Branch Library. We've had so much fun learning all about farm animals with you. Please join us next week at the same time on Facebook Live to watch Planes and Trains presented by the Siena Branch Library.
Also, friends, stop by at any of the Fort Bend County Library branch to pick up your craft kit. All right? Until then, ta-ta!